Hey guys, Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida, and I want to show you the 2015 Work and Play dual propane external battery. This particular model has really nice orange and blue graphics. Your garage area, put in your bikes or your toys. This particular model has a manual awning. Alright, so stepping inside, you'll notice to the right you have a bed. This bed actually folds down and folds up and turns into a bench. Right next to it we have the bathroom, our sink, 4-flush toilet by Dometic, nice big shower, and of course our medicine cabinet as well. Moving into the kitchen, it's our cabinets. Double burner oven, double door fridge, place to hang up clothes, and a little table for dinner. This folds down to either be a bed or 2 benches. You can put that table in between. Of course you have your AC, your Dometic unit. If you have any questions about this toy hauler, give us a call at 772-288-2221. We'd be more than glad to answer any questions you may have. Have a nice day.